feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the road to the other side.
This is the instruction manual for network cable tester. This is called network cable tester with its 9-volt battery included in the crimping toolkit with RJ11 port and RJ45 port. There are 3 modes: off, on, and slow mode. There is also the master and remote side for the tester. These are called RJ45 crystal head covers. Another important tool is the Cat5 UTP cable. RJ45 network connector, it connects both edge. Just a collection of previously successful crimping. This is called network cable stripper. It strips and cut wires accordingly. A multi-function network pliers. It can trim, strip, and can work with 4 pins, 6 pins, 8 pins network crystal head. These are the network crystal head or modular 8-pin connector, which is popularly known as RJ45. Two wiring standards for UTP cable, T568A, T568B, and you can do standard crossover between the two wiring standards. Cut the cable using the trimming knife. Cut. Another cut. Then you can proceed using the network cable stripper just an inch away to avoid bad crimping. Twist, then pull, twist, then pull. We chose T568B, or also known as a TNT, and 258A standard. The only difference between the two standards is the wiring of 2 out of 4 pairs, which are swapped: white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. Cut again to straighten out for the insertion in the crystal head. Get the RJ45. Insert it slowly and surely. Then crimp. Do the process again for the other side of the cable. Insert, then crimp. You then insert it to the RJ45 slot in your network cable tester. I chose the slow mode so we can see the shielded light much clearly. The result should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in both the master and remote sides.